We are talking about side effect of diabetes. Diabetes is very dangerous because it creates lupus that can destroy so many organs in the body. Number one, do you know that one of the side effects of diabetes is erectile dysfunction? It can lead to impotency and infertility. If you are a woman with diabetes, if care is not taken, you find it difficult to conceive. Apart from that, it can affect other organs such as your liver, your kidney, your sight, and so many other things. Diabetes is very dangerous. There are so many side effects of diabetes. And another thing is that it leads to sudden death. One can die if that diabetes is not being handled well the way it's supposed to be handled. So diabetes, it has so many side effects that can lead one to early grave. So it's a very, very dangerous disease or infection, the way you may call it. Thank you very much.
Can one actually conquer this diabetes?
You can conquer diabetes if you know the rudiment. That's why I'm here. Because so many people see diabetes as a threatening disease or infection. Do you understand? Yes, it could be. But if you know the rudiment, it cannot be. You can live with diabetes throughout your life. The person will not die. And you fulfill your years and days with diabetes. If you know the rudiment, the method, you can survive diabetes. I'm telling you, if you are a man there, if you are a woman there, you are hearing my voice, I tell you, if you are a victim, you can survive diabetes. There are so many rudiments. That's why I'm here, and I'm going to bring them out one by one.
All right, please. So now, how, especially those things that make it possible for us to understand how we can actually conquer these things step by step in a layman's understanding.
If you have diabetes, don't see it as a threat. Whether it is juvenile diabetes or normal diabetes, whatsoever, or the thing might have led to hyperglycemia, or the thing at times can threaten you to be hypoglycemia. Because when we talk about hyperglycemia, when the thing is too much, we call it hyperglycemia. At times you take some drugs, it will bring the sugar down, and we call it hypoglycemia. So whether it is hyper or hypo, whether that diabetes is juvenile or whatsoever, or insulin dependable or non-insulin dependable, you can survive diabetes naturally. My dear listener, Victoria, do you know why people are dying? Ignorance. And number one is that we've left the trackway that God has given unto us. We do not honor those things again. People are no longer feeding from nature. People now despise those things that God has given unto us. They have thrown it into garbage, and because of that, we're having a lot of problem. And you see people feeding from denatured foods. You see them refined foods here and there, and the thing is causing obesity. From having too much of weight, diabetes occur. But I want to tell you, there are so many things that can deal with diabetes. Some of them are foods. Number one, let me start from what is called three-leaf yam. Three-leaf yam. Some people call it bitter yam. Some people call it cluster yam, as the English name may be. And Igbo people call it ona. Yoruba call it eshuru. That thing can deal with diabetes. Yes, that thing alone. That thing is a food that can do what? Handle diabetes and crush it in your life. Now, how do you take it? If you can take it naturally with what is on our being, known as Oba. Do you know that combination of Oba and three-leaf yam, known as Ona, can deal with diabetes?
Wow. It
can crush diabetes in your body. Another thing that can deal with diabetes is this hard leaf, known as what? Okazi. Do you know that okazi is highly medicinal to crush sugar in the blood? But people don't know. We don't talk about it. If you collect some quantity of okazi, do you understand? After slicing, you pound it. Pound it very well. Extract the juice with water. Taking it half tumbler morning night, this with sugar. You can survive life with what? Okazi. Very, very powerful. That hard leaf. Very, very effective to take care of diabetes. What do I talk about? Moringa leaf. These are things that can germinate everywhere we can plant them in our compound, in our garden. Moringa. I want to give you a combination that can handle diabetes wherever you are hearing my voice. The leaves stop taking all this medicine, this orthodox medicine, but I'm telling you natural way that can deal with diabetes as you are hearing my voice. Just moringa leaves. If you get moringa leaves, combine it with what is known as water leaf alone. The extract, this with sugar. And also also not only deal with sugar, crush down high blood pressure, down moringa leaf, and what we call the bloody, known as water leaf. The combination of, then you extract the juice. After extracting the juice, putting it into use according to direction. Use it frequently. Diabetes is gone. You can crush diabetes. But you are there, having this problem. And these things are being wasted. We don't feed on them again. We don't talk about them. What of black eye beans? Known as odudu. In which unhappy people call it ajuma. We call it black eye beans. Black eye beans also can deal with diabetes. This is something that can crush sugar, normalize your sugar level, and also deal with high blood pressure. More especially when it is being cooked with oil bean, known as soba, also can deal with diabetes and crush it. I'm telling you with facts. It's not only that. What of papaya leaf? Carica papaya, known as what? Pawpaw leaves. Oga, sister, listen to me. If you bring this papaya leaf, if you're a diabetic patient, mix it with sweet basil. Just put them together and turn it into tea. Use it as tea, just the powder. When the two are being combined, I use it as natural tea. Just 1 tablespoonful of that grounded powder and put inside warm water. Add it a little lemon juice and take it morning night. Only 3 days, go and check your sugar. And these things are there. People don't eat them again. We don't value them again. Just like as you talk about papa, everything in pawpaw is highly medicinal. Starting from the root, even the white substance that comes out from pawpaw can also deal with worm. But the leaf, very, very effective for diabetes. You can use it to crush diabetes. But people don't value all these things. We see them here and there. We don't even know much about them. Another thing that can help you with the diabetes is a little exercise. You apply. Using all these things I mentioned, Oga, diabetes is gone. Another one is called anyu. Fruited pumpkin. Fruited pumpkin, highly medicinal for diabetes. This fruited pumpkin, we call it fruited pumpkin. Anyu. That one, number one, where you are taking it, it destroys, it deals with this diabetes. Number 2, can take care of cancer. Number 3, can deal with prostate cancer, even the seed. But people overlook all these things. Even the leaf is good for vegetation. It's vegetable. We call it akpo obogoro. Do you understand?
Yes.
When it is being cooked with okra, very, very good for sugar. For those people that even have high blood pressure, you can use it to deal with it. But these things are there. We are blindfolded. We don't even duplicate them more. I said something about what is called kidney yam some time ago, known as what? Ado. Where do you see ado again? This thing is gone. We don't duplicate them anymore. Rather, we are taking more of the natural fruits, and we are having the natural sicknesses here and there. Yes, when you have the natural food, you will also have the natural sickness, because diabetes could be denatured. It's not in your lineage. Nobody, maybe look at you, your father don't have diabetes, your mother don't have diabetes, and you have it. It means it is denatured.